Welcome back, guys, from Tax Press. Today I'm going to show you the very easy way, the very important request, which is successfully making sales with Amazon Associated Program, because it's time to ensure to get paid. So the setting up your payment method is simple but requires absolute accuracy. So Amazon offers three main payment methods, which is direct Amazon gift cards, check, or even deposit. So I want to focus into the most reliable method, which is the direct deposit. Let's log in into the Amazon Associated dashboard. The first thing is to open a new tab. Let's go directly into Amazon Associates program, which is dependoamazon.com. And here, what I want to be doing here is to go for the option that says getting started. If you already have an account, it might be telling you with an actual existent account, right? So for this, I'm going to just go all my way down. I'm going to sign in directly here with my credentials, and then what I'm going to need to do is to go directly into my whole dashboard. So we are inside of Amazon, right? The next thing to do is to focus into the navigation to the payment settings. When you log in directly here into the Amazon Associated Central Dashboard, look for the main navigation bar, which usually appears at the top of near your earnings summary, hover over the payment and taxes that you can fill directly in here. So I'm going to click directly into my reports, for example. Here I have my earning reports, here are the content, the consolidated resume, and what you can do is to go directly even into your account and check out the payment history. Directly here into the payment history, you can check out all the transactions that occur with different filters. You might be saying here, Amazon withholds taxes according for the US laws, the payment amount shown included into the taxed wealth. So what I'm going to do here is to check out here my payment method. For security, Amazon may ask you to re-enter your account passcode before accessing your financial elements. I'm going to head over directly here into my account settings. And directly in here have a bunch of elements where you can change your payment method. Let's focus here into payment and tax information. Focus for change the payment method. I'm going to click directly in there. And directly in here it says, are you monetizing international traffic? You can now receive earnings into an international bank account. So you can click there to learn more about it. Now here it says pay by direct deposit, $10 minimum earnings, paid by Amazon.com gift card, or pay me by check. So usually what we do is to focus only into the one and choosing the direct deposit details. You will need to fill your bank information, bank location, the name of the account number, and the routing number. So you can find these two key numbers, the routing number, for example, and the account number, at the top of your physical check or through your bank's online portal on the account details. For example, let's say that my bank is inside here. Let's say that I just go for United States, and here's my bank location information. So if I wanted to enter the account holder name, let's say it's Santander, and I'm gonna be looking for the SWIFT code. Usually it's gonna be providing you with this specific code, which is usually common owns this one for Mexico and this one for Spain, while the US uses this one for Santander Bank. So even you have here the transactional website where you can just check out all of this information for your local or international transfers, right? So this is going to will be really easy to locate. Double check, really important, and triple check these numbers, because if they're wrong, your payment will fail, causing significant delays. And if you're outside the US, you can often use a service like Payout or Wise to create a local US bank account and the routing number for easier payment. Now, once fields are correct, you key into the option that says submit, usually appears directly in here. Your account is now ready to receive payments. So payments are not sent every month, only when your accrued earnings reach the minimum payout threshold, which is usually 10% for direct deposit, but can be higher for checks. Now, Amazon operates on net 60 schedules. This means you will receive the payment for the commissions earned in January at the end of March, right? Even appears here, any update to the payment method this month will be in effect only from the 1st of the next month. So take that in mind. And Amazon makes sure that you understand to be patient, because there is always a 2-month delay. Usually this happens a 2-month delay, right? So you have now successfully set up your payment by navigating to change payment method, accurately entering the routing and account number, and understanding the 10 threshold and the net 60 schedule. So Did you choose direct deposit or an Amazon gift card? You can let me know into the comments below. If this setup guide was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys once again for watching this video, and hopefully I can all see you guys next time.